Hello friends, this is Abir and today we are going to discuss about the Async API bounty program trial. What's happening here? As we know that open source contributors are working for free. So we are trying to help them by giving some incentives from our open source collective. The whole incentive for this program trial is $2,000. So how this whole thing will work? We'll pick up some 7 different projects and which will have 4 medium level issues and 3 advanced level tasks. And these tasks will be in the issues under the issues section of GitHub. Now, what happens if you pick up some tasks, suppose say mid-level tasks, and complete it within the 4 to 6 weeks of period of time after the date of assignment to you, then you are going to get a bounty of $200 per task. And not just one task, it not just all over task, but per task you'll get the bounty. When you are going to complete the advanced level task, and we have set time period of 6 to 8 weeks from the date of assignment, you'll be getting $400 per task for the advanced level. Okay, so this is what we have figured out, and we are going to have a trial run for it, and we are going to look on the challenges and uh, how to help contributors in more effective way or creating more number of issues, something like that. So try to participate in this bounty program trial. This will not only help the community of open source but also help us to design such a program which can even incentivize the open source contributors. Okay, and also attract some new contributors to contribute to open source, not just for the incentive but to know about the event driven architecture, how things are working. So this is something really good, I feel, in one way, because open source is kind of in one way for a developer who is developing. I'll be brutal honest here that one way developer is doing the free work. Okay, and contribute on organizations, companies are using this without sometimes sponsoring, or sometimes they are not sponsoring at all. So these things really help to keep up the morale of the engineers. I know some developers may not need these incentives, but again, there we have to think about in the majority of the terms. So there are majority of developers who are in requirement of the incentives. For example, the creator of Faker.js library. If you remember, if you recall the news that Faker.js library creator, due to the money and financial conditions, uh, deleted the whole library. And we all know that how Faker.js library is used in duplicating and mocking the library. So what had to do, companies had to sponsor him, and even GitHub tried to go through the npm history and get the latest version out of it from the database rollbacks. So this was the thing happened. So that's why it's better to have a healthy culture, and that's why this whole program is being built. I hope you're going to participate in this and also get some learnings from it. Thank you.